ASMR is, I don't think it's going to be my thing, because first of all, I don't have the equipments. This is my on-camera mic, which is very close to my mouth, and that's why I'm sticking to the camera. And I don't know why I'm enjoying this. I like doing this. Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. So by the title of the video, you guys must be knowing that today we are here for a lipstick, and not just any lipstick. It's supposed to be a lipstick that can give you the tingles. Yes, so we are here for an ASMR lipstick. I mean, it sounds very crazy and weird at the same time. Like, how can a lipstick give you an ASMR? For those of you who don't know what's an ASMR, I am going to throw a definition on the screen, googled one, so here you go, you can check it out. And yes, so basically we have a lipstick that I have to unbox still. So yes, I will be doing an unboxing and a first impressions. We're gonna try out and we're gonna see whether this actually works or not. So the lipstick is from a brand called ASMRtistry, and I'm just doing this unboxing and this whole thing, first impressions, because I find the concept very interesting. Actually, when they emailed me, I was like, yes, the concept is very interesting, please send me the lipsticks, like I want these, if they can actually give you the ASMR thing. So the lipstick comes in 2 shades, which is not a lot, I know, but the main thing why we're here is that whether it can give you the tingles or not, like the ASMR tingles. So this comes in 2 shades and it comes in 2 sensations, warm and cool. So I chose the warm one and the shade that I chose is nude. So first of all, let's just cut this thing. Okay, so I don't think I can open it today, seal tomorrow. So in this black thing we have a box again. Hope the lipstick is inside the box because I'm already tired of this unboxing. Yeah. I like ASMR videos a lot. I watch them a lot. Oh my god, what is this? Alright, so I think we got the lipstick out, you guys. Okay, so this is the thing. Oh my god, this looks like a treasure box or something. And what is this, a locket? Oh wow, we got something else. What the heck is this now? Okay, I think I need some time to figure this out, what's happening, because I feel like I've just unboxed a magical thing. Alright, so they have candies. Oh my god, like, so these are the candies. I think these are the candies that like explode on your tongue. You guys, the packaging feels very sturdy. I don't know whether I'm in focus or not, but yes. So the packaging looks like very sturdy. Oh wow, it's magnetic. This is obviously not a nude for me, but I think it will work with a lip liner. So this is how the lipstick looks, and this is the inside, you guys. It's glittering, like you can see glitter all over the bullet. Alright, so this lipstick should give me a warm sensation when I apply it. I really want to try it now. So first of all, I'm just going to get rid of my lip gloss completely because I really want this to work. First, we're going to go with the lipstick and then I'll apply the lip liner because I think this is a very light nude for me. Although I think it can work, but we'll just try it. But the main thing is the tingles. We need them. Smells like vanilla and chocolate kind of mixed together. So let's try it without the lip liner first, and then I'll add the lip liner if I have to. Oh my gosh, this is very pigmented, you guys. But this is obviously not a nude for me, as you guys can see. What I feel right now, I feel like I've applied cinnamon on my lips. Like that is precisely what I feel. It's obviously like a pinching thing, like it's giving me like slightly tingling on my lips. Like what am I even saying? It's just like black pepper or maybe cinnamon on your lips, because it's very much like tingling, and basically the thing that it feels like is actually cinnamon. How cinnamon or black pepper will feel on your lips, it's like that kind of a thing. Not very harsh, it's very soft kind of a feeling, not as harsh as the black pepper or the cinnamon thing. So you know, it's very soft. So yes, that's how this lipstick feels. I really like it. I mean, I like the color too, you know. Obviously I need a lip liner with this thing. I don't think I can pull it together without a lip liner. But I want to say one thing, this is very pigmented, because you know, my lips are really dark, as you guys know, and it did cover everything. So you know, it's very pigmented. All I need is a little bit of lip liner. It's like a comfortable, like very Maybelline color, sensational, creamy mattes kind of a finish, you know, but the pigmentation is bomb, you guys. I like it. This can actually work as a lip plumper too, because you can see my lips look so damn full. I have not overlined my lips. You guys know I always overline my lips a little bit, so that's what I have done today. It's very normal for me, but still my lips, I don't know why they look very full. I think it's because of the shine, plus because of the tingling thing. It's irritating my lips, so that's why, you know, they are looking big. So yes, this lipstick claims that it will give you the tingles. It does, obviously. Right now it retails for rupees 1774. Obviously they have got 2 shades and 2 sensations, cool and warm, and then 2 shades, which is rouge and then nude, which I have on my lips right now. So I like this lipstick because it does what it claims. It's not, obviously it's not saying that we have got a lot of colors and all that stuff. They obviously accept that they have 2 sensations, cool and warm, and I have the warm one. It actually feels very warm on my lips. It gives me the tingles. So basically I think that was the whole fuss that this lipstick is all about. They are eco-friendly and carbon conscious, and everything painstakingly handmade, intricately UK designed ASMR packaging, only the best ingredients used, vegan and cruelty free. That's it for the video, and yes, now I'm gonna enjoy my candies, popping ones.
Okay, you guys ready for this? This is the popping candy, and I'm going to try and do a kind of ASMR with this. I know it's gross, but that's okay. It's still exploding on my tongue. Oh gosh, I can feel it exploding.
Basically whatever new makeup I try, I share it with you guys, so you know, that's why I shared this one too. So yes, that's it for the video, and plus you guys, the concept is like amazing, like ASMR and the tingles and all of that stuff. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and if you really like this video, then please share this video. Bye.